Hi everyone, welcome to lemcode. In this video, we'll talk about how to generate QR code using Python in very simple steps. Let me take a new Python file, QR code generator. You can name it anything. So as a prerequisite, what we need to do is to generate the QR code. There's a very beautiful module called PyQR code. We need to install that first. Let me pip install PyQR code. So to install not only this module, to install any module, any Python module, you can use this command pip install space module name that you want to install. So in my case, it is a PyQR code is a module name. So I'm installing it here. Um, in my system, it must be already there. So if it is already there, it will say like requirement is already satisfied. So for you, the people who are doing it for the first time, you might, it will be installed. So now, since it is already there, I'm going to import it. Import module name PyQR code. Next, let's generate a video, QR code. So usually, if you go to any shops or anything, if you want to make some payment, we'll scan a QR code and that will navigate to the phone pay or any UPI application, right? So how behind the scene how it is going to happen. So they will also generate some random QR code, based on their payment information, right? So my interest is to generate the QR code to navigate to my YouTube channel. If someone scans this QR code, they should be able to navigate to lemcode page, lemcode YouTube channel, and they should be able to see this page. So let's see that. I'm giving the content here. It can be any content. It needs not to be navigating to the URL or navigating to the UPI page. It need not be that. You can generate a QR code for anything. Like you can generate a QR code for navigating to the URL, or you can generate a QR code to display some content. Saying that if someone scans your QR code, you can display something like, "Hey, hello, welcome to lemcode. Hey, hello, good morning or good afternoon." You can wish like that. If someone scans your QR code, or you can in a modern way of proposing, you can, if you want to do programmatic as a programmer, if you want to propose in a modern way, what you can do is you can display some text if someone scans your QR code. Yeah, let's see here. Image equals to PyQR code dot create. So inside this create URL, you need to pass the text. So text can be anything. It can be a URL or it can be some content that you want to display. And now it will return actually an image object. So now we need to save this image to some file, right? So I'm going to save it into SVG file, image.svg. SVG is a predefined function that is already available in PyQR code. So I'm passing the file name, my QR code, my QR dot svg. Okay, so that's it. We're done with the code. You can run the program. Now, if you see the same folder, you can see my qr.svg folder is generated. But I would prefer not to go for SVG. You can, it's better to go if you go for a PNG. The reason being, the clarity will be very good. Compared to SVG, the clarity will be very good. So you may not be able to scan this kind of your QR code. Better you generate a PNG file. So PNG, there is no PNG function inside this. So what we need to do is we need to install another module called PyPNG. That is a simple step, right? Pip install PyPNG. Since I've already tried a couple of times and worked on this couple of times, the requirement is already there. PyPNG module is already installed. Let me import it. Import PNG. Now I'm just commenting this line. I don't want SVG file. I'm just gonna create it as a PNG, image.png, and save it into my qr.png, or you can name anything, qr code.png. I'm just running it. So we see here QR code.png it is displayed. If you see here, the difference between SVG and PNG, the clarity is much better. And if you want to display it even more bigger, you can just use one more parameter called scale. Give a scale as some number here. Scale will be taken as accept as a number, and I'm giving as a 12. And if you want even more, you can give a bigger number. So if you see here, it is big one. And now if you want to test it, you can you can open your mobile and check whether you are able to navigate to my YouTube channel or not after scanning this QR code. You may try it out. Yeah, for more videos like this, please subscribe to lemcode. And in case if you're interested to if you want me to suggest if you want to suggest something to be implemented using Python, please comment down below.